Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Quranic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be reading these two lines of the 8th page of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. This is just a reminder for those of you who will be relying on transliteration. Okay. This is kha on its own. Kha, kha. That's the first letter is ha. That's the second one is tha. Ha, tha. Ha, tha. The first letter is kha. The second one is ba. Kha, ba. Kha, ba. The first letter is jim. The second one is ta. Jim, ta. Jim, ta. The first letter is ta. The second one is ha. The third one is ta. Ta, ha, ta. Ta, ha, ta. The first letter is ya. The second one is jim. The third one is ba. Ya, jim, ba. Ya, jim, ba. The first letter is ba. The second one is kha. The third one is ta. Ba, kha, ta. Ba, kha, ta. This is another way of writing ta. It's called ta marbuta. This way of writing is called ta marbuta, but it is actually ta. 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 That's ha on its own. Ha. Ha. The first letter is ba. The second one is called ta. Ta marbuta, and it is actually ta. Another way of writing ta. Ba, ta. Ba, ta. The first one is ya, and the second one is ha. Ya, ha. Ya, ha. The first letter is ta. The second one is ha. That's another way of writing ha. So can you see? That's another way of writing ha. Ta, ha. Ta, ha. So this is the end of this session. In next session, we will practice these two lines 10 times to give you enough practice, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.